Hey, I'm Ryan with Rising. We're here today to show how to install a net bag onto your net hoop. Both the Brookie and Lunker and boat nets will all be the same process. I'm using a Lunker today as I go through it. And so what we do is find the top of the net bag. You're gonna just grab any hoop, doesn't matter which one you start with, hoop on the net bag. Gonna feed that over the actual hoop. And what I do is I like to keep them all kind of in the same orientation and just keep threading them on to the hoop. You do this for your entire net bag and leave 3 hoops remaining unthreaded at the end of the process. So that's 4. 3 left. So 1, 2, 3. I'm just going to grab this end, just like a shower curtain, kind of slowly work this net bag around. You have to move the whole thing to the top of the net so that you could make the span with your 3 loops. And you start bringing it back down to the bottom. You want those 3 loops down on the bottom end. And what I'm going to do is feed a little bit of slack towards one side, shift some of the slack back around, and then put that last one on. You can install this hoop just over, or how we do on a lot of our nets to tighten the bag just a little bit more is to pull that last loop over both ends of the net. And that's putting on your net bag.